We learn in modern ways.
We study, apply scientific methods, and prepare to solve real-world problems. Education isn't just in books. We grow as leaders and teammates.
Your technology fuels learning. We use the latest tools to stay ahead.
Our teachers are always here to listen at Sterling School. They're more than guides, they're friends. Music is a language of emotion. At Sterling, we learn it with passion.
We learn, we innovate.
We shape the future. Join us at the Hook Ishik International Primary School where success begins.